Pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.2. The fifth problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Usually we start with the assumption. In this kind of problem, is it? Let's start. Width is x. Let's assume the width of the garden is x and length of the garden is y. So what is given? Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden, right? First, what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Which is P equals 2 into L plus W, which means L is length and W is width. So half of the perimeter is, which is equals to 2 into L plus W. We are going to divide the equation by 2. So we will get at L plus W. So in the next step, I am going to write the second scenario first, which is the half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is this one, 4 meter more than this one, is 36, which means the half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36, right? So I am going to write the second scenario first. So here we found out half the perimeter is L plus W. So before that, what is L? Here we assumed X for L. No. So L for Y and X for W. So let's Y plus X equals 36. So I am going to consider this as the second equation because this is the second scenario. To write the first equation, the first scenario is half the perimeter of the rectangle. This is done, right? Whose length is 4 meter more than its width, which means if you subtract length and width, the difference is 4. So we can write that scenario as, for length we taken y, so for width we taken x, so y minus x equals 4. This is what the first equation. In the next step, we are going to substitute some value for x to find y. So this is first equation, which is y minus x equals 4. Let's find out the vertices for this equation. So to choose the x value, so here we have 4. 4 is the only number here. So x value you can take any values from 0 to any minus value, negative value also you can take. But for the simpler calculations, you take the x value as 4 or multiple of 4. Then the calculation will be easy because we will not get any fraction numbers and all. So let's substitute some value for, I'm going to write 0, 8, which is multiple of 4, and 12, which also the multiple of 4. Let's substitute the value 0 here. So y minus 0 equals 4, which means y equals 4. If x equals 8, y minus 8 equals 4, y equals 12. If x equals 12, y minus 12 equals 4, so then y equals 16. These are the three values we got for y. Then the vertices we can write as a combination of x and y, 0, 4 and 8, 12 and 12, 16. Then next, let's find out the vertices for x plus y equals 36 equation. So here the x value we take It will be better if you take 6 or multiple of 6, because 36 is the multiple of 6. So 0, 6 and 12. This is what I am going to take for x. If x equals 0, y equal 0 plus y equals 36, y equals 36. If x equals 6, so 6 plus y equals 36, so y equals 30. If x is 12 and 12 plus y equals 36, y equals 24. So I substitute all the values. I write the all values here, which is here 30, here 24, and the vertices are 0, 36 and 6, 30 and 12, 24. Let's mark the point. For the first equation, the vertices are 0, 4, which is x coordinate is 0. This is x axis and this is y axis. So 0, 4, which is here 8, 12. So 8, 12, which is here. Then 12, 16, which is here. Sorry. Let's join these three lines, the straight line. Zero, 36. So I don't have a space, so I want to change the points instead. Here I take 0, 36, so we will get 36 for y value, so we don't have space, so I want to change the value. If x equals 18, let's see what will happen, what the value will get. So here 18, so 36 minus 18 equals, so y value also 18. New vertex is 18, 18. So let me mark here, which is 18, 18. So on the line here. Then 6, 30. So 6, 30. So here it is. Next is 12, 24. Here. If you add these points with a straight line, which gives me 16 and 20. Sorry. Here it is. So x equals 16, y equals 20. So the width of the garden is 16 and the length of the garden 20, which is x and y. So here one important thing we need to consider, the x value we taken, this is not the fixed, you can take any value. So here I change the value because I get x value very long. So here 18 into 18, 18, 18. So if you feel the y value is very big, you can change the x value accordingly. It need not to be the value must be the multiple of this number 6 and multiple of 6, not like that, but for the simpler calculations we use that trick. And one more thing, in the graph I take each value, each unit as 2. since the number is bigger, 36, 30, we get up to 30 and 36. So I take every unit as 2. So this is how you change according to your problem. Hope you understand.